This video isn't for you yet. There remains hope for the future, even though many people were beginning to lose hope that Ripple would prevail in the legal battle against the SEC. The world's most inventive cryptocurrency exchange, Coinbase, has begun assisting Ripple. The most bullish signal is this one. The time has now come for every XRP holder to shine. According to experts, XRP Ripple's price may rise to $385 or more. Quite awesome, isn't it? Watch this video through to the end. Let's get started. Disclaimer. Therefore, XRP is about to make a huge breakthrough, and the anti-XRP movement will be powerless to stop it. The finest way to put it was by Zach Rector. What is coming cannot be stopped by the anti-XRP force. The tide is shifting, and significant changes to the regulatory environment may propel XRP into new heights. One of the main obstacles preventing XRP from reaching its full potential has been the Ripple v. SEC lawsuit. However, CryptoGeek claims that we may be seeing the end of this legal dispute. A settlement of the Ripple v. SEC litigation is on the horizon. The lawsuit has already been removed from the SEC's website. There is conjecture that a solution could be reached in the next day. This is consistent with the tweets made by Jack the Rippler. If you want the SEC v. Ripple case to end today, please leave a like. There is more expectation than ever before. XRP may finally be able to move without worrying about the law if the SEC gives in. And as Steph said, that might cause XRP to reach previously unheard-of price heights. Should the SEC withdraw its appeal, XRP may reach new heights. That's not all, though. There is a larger catalyst in the works that has the potential to cause XRP's demand to soar. ETFs. Let's take a look at this to see why it matters. A financial product known as an exchange-traded fund, ETF, enables investors to purchase assets such as stocks, gold, or cryptocurrency without actually holding them. Rather, investors trade fund shares on the stock market, and a fund management purchases and retains the asset. Why is this so significant for XRP? Easy. Institutions and individual investors can now readily access XRP without having to deal with cryptocurrency exchanges, wallets, or regulations. Thanks to ETF approval, this causes a huge influx of fresh funding to go into XRP. Demand and liquidity are increased when ETFs are introduced because fund providers must purchase and store significant quantities of XRP. The outcome of a crypto ETF's approval has already been observed. After Bitcoin was approved as a spot ETF in January 2024, more than $10 billion poured into the cryptocurrency in a matter of weeks. Consider the potential of an XRP ETF, particularly considering that Ripple already has strong ties to banks and financial organizations across the globe. The SEC's recent decision to drop its cases against significant cryptocurrency companies like Coinbase and Robinhood is another indication that XRP's legal issues may soon come to an end. Coinbase was being aggressively pursued by the SEC for allegedly running an unlicensed securities exchange, but the matter was unexpectedly withdrawn. An important indication that regulatory pressure is lessening is this. This is huge for XRP. In the past, the SEC classified XRP as a security, which resulted in price suppression and delistings from significant exchanges. However, if one of the biggest exchanges, Coinbase, can now function without worrying about SEC action, then Ripple's case might do the same. All of the main exchanges may relist XRP if the SEC formally backs off, which would restore investor trust and bring in fresh liquidity. This is a pivotal moment. The price of XRP may rise to an all-time high if the litigation is formally settled and ETF permissions are obtained. For years, XRP has been hampered by regulatory ambiguity, but this is beginning to change. The scenario is set for a historic breakout as financial organizations integrate Ripple's technology, institutions are considering XRP for ETFs, and the SEC may give its approval. It gets much more bizarre, though. Investors have been on edge due to XRP's price fluctuations, but the entire cryptocurrency industry will be shocked by what happens next. Expert projections indicate that something significant is imminent and major parties are making moves behind the scenes. The actual pyrotechnics are just beginning, so if you believe you know where XRP is going, think again. Therefore, a sizable section of the XRP community thinks the cryptocurrency is replicating its historic 2017 surge. In less than a year, XRP soared from less than a cent to over $3, representing an incredible gain of more than 110,000%. The current price structure of XRP and that previous breakthrough have a lot in common, according to analysts like Random Crypto Pal. He notes that before starting its historic ascent, XRP saw a dramatic correction in early 2017, and he anticipates that history will repeat again. Even, however, there are professionals that dispute this fractal hypothesis, such as Dom, an order book analyst. Bulls in XRP are still quite confident. Dismissing the doubters, Random Crypto Pal maintains that the market is poised for another parabolic spike. His predictions indicate that XRP's correction phase is only preparing the market for a push to $27. Before to a more significant surge, the XRP price projection of $27 is hardly a surprise. Has also indicated that $27 is a crucial price before any more significant price movements take place. This is merely a stopgap measure before XRP experiences another correction and possibly soars further higher. It is not the ultimate objective. Not all forecasts, though, are thus cautious. A few prominent figures in the XRP community, such as XRP Captain and XRP Queen, have made outrageous predictions about values as high as $589. Others, like XRP Dragon and Crypto Barbie, think XRP will eventually hit 4 or even 5 figures. According to XRP Dragon, $10,000 per XRP is already set in stone. Even if these figures might appear ludicrous, the belief behind them highlights the XRP faithful's unwavering trust. Random Crypto Pal's prediction that XRP would eventually reach $385 is arguably the most audacious. According to his logic, the present price behavior indicates that a nearly 99,900% increase from XRP's 2024 lows is achievable if it were to replicate its 110,000% gain from 2017. This is where the math becomes problematic, though. The market capitalization of XRP would rise to over $22 trillion if it reached $385, which would be significantly more than the current value of the entire cryptocurrency market, and possibly surpassing the market capitalization of gold. Without an exceptional worldwide financial revolution in which XRP takes the lead as the primary medium of exchange, such a scenario would be all but inconceivable. Although $385 might not seem possible in the near future, other analysts have offered more realistic forecasts. According to market analyst Tony Severino, if a bullish flag pattern materializes, XRP may hit $13. Even so, this is a huge improvement over its present levels, confirming that a positive picture is painted by even the more cautious projections. Some traders are viewing the present dip as a great time to purchase because of all these bullish aspects. The perspective of many XRP enthusiasts who see price declines as opportunities to stockpile before the next leg up is reflected in Aminic's straightforward yet impactful tweet, "Buy the dip." Step tells everyone to ignore the noise in the meantime. Pay attention to the parabola. XRP is the best. Naturally, we also need to discuss XRP Ripple's recent agreements. This news is a game changer, not simply another standard one. These collaborations are expected to change the financial scene and help XRP reach new heights. However, you are unaware of just how enormous this is, you'll be shocked by the scope of what's taking place. Thus, the widespread adoption of XRP is a revolution in the making, rather than merely conjecture. The foundation of global banking for many years, the SWIFT system, is becoming outdated. It is costly, slow, and dependent on a network of middlemen that add needless complexity. In contrast, XRP is a strong candidate to displace SWIFT in the developing digital economy since it provides almost instantaneous transactions at a far lower cost. Brad Garlinghouse himself has alluded to XRP's potential supremacy. Some have even suggested that it might surpass Bitcoin in terms of its financial usefulness. It's a huge vision. Every significant bank transaction in the world uses XRP as the